In the last episode, we established that you can zoom infinitely because waves are continuous. There's no bottom to reality, just finer and finer interference patterns. Now, the question is, if everything is waves in a field, then what is space? Where are we actually located? Well, space isn't a container you're inside. Space is how consciousness maps wave interactions into navigable reality. Think about this carefully. When you say, I'm here and you're there, what does that actually mean? You're experiencing a specific pattern of electromagnetic field interactions. Someone else is experiencing a different pattern. Consciousness translates those different interaction patterns into the sensation of being at different locations in three-dimensional space. But fundamentally, you're both processing the same field. There's no actual separation. The field is everywhere simultaneously. What you call location is which aspect of the field your consciousness is currently sampling, and how your brain maps that into spatial coordinates. It's kind of like a radio, or it's like a radio, just like a radio. Different stations broadcast through the same air. A radio tuned to 94.5 isn't at a different location than a radio tuned at 104.1. Same electromagnetic field. Different frequency patterns being sampled. Your experience of being located here works the same way. You're tuned to a specific field interaction and specific field interaction patterns that consciousness maps as this position in space. This explains why everyone can see the same analemma pattern on the same dates. You're not looking at one physical sun from different perspectives. You're each processing the same electromagnetic field cycle from your unique reference frames, from your meridian in zenith. The sun's motion pattern is absolute in the field. Your location is just which meridian and zenith references you're using to map that pattern. So, I'm going to go into what space actually is at the fundamental level on the next episode, and why movement itself may not be what you think it is.